are going to learn about photosynthesis. We know that photosynthesis is a light reaction, and with the help of this reaction, plants are able to make their food. Now let us learn more interesting facts in a photosynthesis reaction, how this process is actually running in the plants, right? So in the picture, you can easily see some components are written over here. Okay, so here is a sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and oxygen. But oxygen is coming out from the plant, and these three components goes inside the plant, right? So photosynthesis reaction, this oxygen is released as a byproduct. It is not participating in the reaction. So in our photosynthesis reaction, what happened actually? This is a carbon dioxide, right? This is a carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is present in our environment. From where this carbon dioxide is coming? When you breathe out, you release carbon dioxide, or by the several human activities, carbon dioxide is released in our environment. Second is sunlight. We know that sunlight is coming from sun. This sunlight is coming from directly from the sun. Okay, and here is the water. Here is a water. We can write water as the H2O. This water is absorbed by the roots. Inside the soil, water is present and it is absorbed by the roots of the plant and transferred to the leaves part. Leaves are green in color, and this green color is provided by chlorophyll. This green color is provided by chlorophyll. Now what happened? Here I am going to make a one small leaf. Okay, you can see one leaf here. This leaf, which are green in color because of the chlorophyll pigment, because of this pigment, it absorbs this sunlight. It is able to absorb this sunlight and also carbon dioxide from the environment. But how? This carbon dioxide is absorbed by small pores which is present at the back side of the leaf, which is called stomata. What it is called? Stomata. So this stomata absorbs carbon dioxide and also trapped sunlight. Now in our leaf, which is a factory for the food production, having carbon dioxide and sunlight. Now from where water is coming? Water is also coming from the roots part and it sends to the leaf. Now in our leaf, water is present, right? Carbon dioxide is trapped, and most important, sunlight is also present. Now the leaves are ready to process for food. Now, what is a photosynthesis reaction? So, photosynthesis word is a combination of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Plant use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide, which we earlier discussed. Okay, so the carbon dioxide is present in air to make their food, and the process of making food is termed to be as a photosynthesis reaction. Chemical structure of a photosynthesis reaction is given below. 6H2O plus 6 molecules of carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It forms glucose, C6H12O6, and oxygen is released in this reaction. We know that in a leaf part, here in the leaf part, what happened? Carbon dioxide is trapped, okay, with the help of stomata, and sunlight which is coming from sun, it absorbed by the leaves with the help of chlorophyll pigment, and the roots are present inside the soil. So these water molecules are absorbed by the roots and transferred to the leaves, where the sunlight, carbon dioxide and water perform photosynthesis reaction. So this is the chemical reaction of photosynthesis or a chemical structure of a photosynthesis reaction. Now here are some facts related to photosynthesis reaction. I hope you understand all the process of a photosynthesis reaction, how the energy is trapped, how the carbon dioxide is absorbed by the leaves. That is why the leaves are the factory for the food production for the plant. And the byproduct, oxygen, is released throughout the process. This is all about the photosynthesis reaction. These are the some facts which are very much essential to learn photosynthesis reaction and helpful in your examinations.